The price is too high. I go to the gym every day. My house is near the school. Please add some sugar to my coffee. The food is delicious. The bank is between the hotel and the hospital. I own a small business. Please write your name below. Egypt is a beautiful country. I water the plants every morning. I saw him last week. My son goes to school by bus. Please close the door. My father is at work now. Keep your phone with you. There is a big tree in the park. I never drink coffee at night. Let's start the meeting. Cairo is a busy city. The Earth goes around the sun. She has beautiful blue eyes. Please turn on the light. I had a sudden thought about the plan. My head hurts. The keys are under the table. She told me a funny story. I saw your brother yesterday. He left the office early. Turn left. I don't understand. I have a few questions. I listened to music while studying. We walked along the beach. It might rain today.